top certificates in the domain of OT cybersecurity. Those who are still not aware which is OT. OT means basically operational technology. And I have another video where I've clearly discussed about the IT and OT segregation and how the cybersecurity in the IT and OT domain differentiates. So OT cybersecurity, we can also call it like industrial control system cybersecurity or industrial cybersecurity. So this is a topic or a subject that is in high demand in for the scholars, for the academics, and also for the industry. And there are huge number of job vacancies which needs to be filled in 2022 and 2023. So to be more eligible for these jobs, you need certifications because this is the era of certification. So I will talk about top two certificates which are related to OT cybersecurity and adds lots of values to your resume. So the first certificate that I will talk about is Comptia Security Plus. Though it definitely does not talk about OT cybersecurity or goes into details of the OT cybersecurity, but it gives you a brief overview what cybersecurity is. And this is the basic requirement for the cybersecurity. And if you are new to this domain or this type of work, then this is the best certificate to start with because it gives you some amount of confidence to apply for the beginner level jobs in the cybersecurity, and after that you gain some amount of experience through which you can apply to other jobs or other certifications. Also, I recommend this certificate for the beginners because this is low cost, and you can pass it with the minimal amount of training, and lots of training materials are available online. Some are free and some are nominally chargeable. So the cost of this certification is 389. Value of in the job market, I call it as a medium because this just gives you some idea, but it does not go into the detail in the cybersecurity. So if you want to get the advanced level job in the cybersecurity, or you already have some experience in cybersecurity like 4 5 years, then you should not go for this particular certification. Okay, now the if you have now what you have 3 4 years of experience, or rather you already completed this certificate and want to go to the next level, then the certificate that is for you is GCISP, because this is a certificate where you get a global value, and this is a certificate through which you will be getting jobs in advanced cybersecurity jobs. But the cost of the certification is little higher. It is $949, and the value of job market is obviously high, and the preparation time is 6 to 1 month, 1 year. And there are lots of affiliate agency which provides this training across the globe. The training is virtual, can be virtual, online, self-paced, or can be uh, mm, can be in person also. So uh, so so you can opt for these trainings, but training cost is very high. It is around $8,000. So that's why I do not recommend this particular certificate for the beginners. So we can let's look at their websites. So if you see, this is the Comptia Security Plus website, and here you will get all the details, right? So you will get that it is as it is written, that global certification that validates the baseline skill. So as I have noted that this is for the baseline skill that is necessary for core cybersecurity function and pursue IT security career. Okay, and you can through this website you can and this exam is 90 minutes exam, passing score is 750, and this is through, you can give through Pearson View Testing Center, or you can give online testing also. So there are various level to it. Comptia Security Plus is the entry level. There are system security certified professional, there are certified ethical hacker, and there are GISE security essential. So these are the various certification levels. But the other three are, I would not recommend for you if you are going to OT cybersecurity domain. So if you want to go advanced in OT cybersecurity domain, then global industrial cybersecurity professional, this GICSP, which is conducted by SANS, is more will be more useful to you. So this is a proctored exam which contains 115 question for 3 hours, and minimum passing score is 71%. Okay, and the delivery can, this is through a proctored exam, and there are lots of things you can see what it covers. This but everything is related to this IT, OT security, OT cyber security. Nothing is based on IT security. Hope the video helps you, and please go ahead and register for the certification, because it